Want to set up advanced Mailchimp analytics but not sure where to start? You're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through setting up advanced Mailchimp analytics so you can unlock deeper insights into your campaigns and improve your email marketing strategy. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you've logged into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, head to the Reports section where you'll find all your campaign data. You'll want to click on Campaigns to start analyzing the results of past email blasts. The second thing you'll need to do is enable Mailchimp's advanced reporting features. Go to the Account Settings, then to the Extras section. Here, you can toggle on Enhanced Analytics, which will provide you with in-depth data like subscriber activity and detailed campaign metrics. This is where the magic happens because now you're not just seeing open rates and click rates. You'll be able to dive into subscriber behaviors and interactions over time. Next, let's talk about integrating your e-commerce data. If you're running an online store, Mailchimp offers an integration with platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. By linking your store, Mailchimp will automatically pull purchase data from your customers. This means you'll get more targeted analytics, like tracking which campaigns led to sales and which products were most popular. The fourth thing you want to do is set up custom reporting. Mailchimp allows you to create custom reports that focus on the metrics that matter most to you. You can segment reports by date ranges, campaign types, or even specific audiences. This way, you get reports that are tailored to your business, saving you time and effort by focusing on what's truly valuable. Next, let's dive into tracking campaign success over time. This is where you can compare different campaigns, see what worked, and understand how subscriber behavior has changed. By analyzing these trends, you can improve your future campaigns based on data-driven insights, like the optimal send time, subject lines, or even the content that resonates the most. One of the last things you can set up is automated alerts for your Mailchimp campaigns. You can have Mailchimp send you notifications when certain thresholds are met, whether that's when your open rate drops below a certain percentage or when a campaign reaches a specific revenue goal. These alerts help you stay on top of performance without constantly monitoring your account. To wrap things up, remember that all these advanced Mailchimp analytics can help you drive more effective campaigns. But it gets even better. If you want to start using Mailchimp's advanced analytics for free, check out the first link below for an exclusive offer. You'll also get access to extended free trials of some of Mailchimp's premium features to see if it's right for your business. So, there you go. Set up your advanced Mailchimp analytics today and watch your email marketing get smarter. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the exclusive offer below.